Today we are going to discuss about acoustic. Acoustic is study of sound which deals with its origin, that means from where the sound has been originated. Its properties like temperature and density, its propagation by contraction and rarefaction, and its action on an obstacle like absorption, reflection and transmission of sound. Sound characteristics. There are mainly three characteristics by which we can understand sound. The first one is pitch, which is related to frequency. As frequency increases, pitch also increases. Second characteristic is loudness, which is related to intensity. Loudness L is equal to K log I to the base 10. This is known as Weber-Fechner law. The third characteristic is timbre, which is related to quality of sound. Now let us understand the difference between loudness and intensity. Loudness is degree of sensation produced on ear, while intensity is quantity of sound flowing per unit area per unit time. Loudness varies from listener to listener, while intensity is independent of listener. Loudness is physiological quantity, while intensity is physical quantity. The unit of loudness is tone and foam, while unit of intensity is watt per meter square. Let us try to derive the unit of intensity from the definition itself. Intensity I is equal to Q by AT. Q by T is energy per time, that is power, and its units becomes watt. And meter square is the unit of area. Thus we get the unit watt per meter square for intensity. Units of sound. Initially, people were using transmission unit TU for measuring quantity of reduction of sound level over 1 mile. Then we started to use Bell to honor Graham Bell. It is the intensity level of sound whose intensity is 10 times the standard intensity. But as Bell is very big unit, in practice we prefer to use decibel, which is 1/10 of Bell. Professor Sabine has given 7 factors which affects the acoustic of a building. We have to take care of all these factors while we are designing any auditorium or music hall. The first factor is reverberation time. It is the time taken for sound intensity to fall 1/1,000,000th of its original intensity once the source of sound is cut off. Second is loudness, which is supposed to be uniform throughout the hall. Third is echo, which is reflection of sound. Fourth is Eglon effect, which is multiple reflection of sound at the stairs. Fifth is focusing, which occurs because of curved surface. Sixth is resonance, that is matching of frequency. Seventh is noise, that is airborne noise, structure-borne noise, and inside noise. Let us understand reverberation time. It has to be maintained at its optimum value. For a hall of 10,000 meter cube, reverberation period is between 1.0 to 1.5 seconds and 1.5 to 2.0 seconds for music. This time is supposed to be optimum. These are the remedies to make it optimum. Number 1, it can be made optimum by providing adequate windows and doors, and walls being coated by absorbent materials. Now let us try to solve the assignment. There are some multiple choice questions which you can easily solve. Number 1. Acoustics deals with study of sound or study of light? Correct. It is study of sound. Number 2. Pitch is related to frequency or density? Very true. It is frequency. Loudness is related to volume or intensity? Loudness is related to intensity. It was given by Weber-Fechner law. Timbre is related to quality or quantity? Yes, timbre is related to quality. Unit of loudness is sound or kg per meter? Yes, unit of loudness is sound. 6th, unit of intensity is Newton or watt per meter square? Very true. It is watt per meter square. 1 bell is equal to blank decibel? 10 or 1000? 1 bell is equal to 10 decibel. So now you have understood very well the acoustic, which is the study of sound required to design an auditorium or music hall. Thank you very much.